Hi, and thank you for purchasing this template. This project is compatible with Adobe After Effects version CS6 and above, as well as Premiere Pro, so let's take a look at how to edit it. First, download the delivery zip file and make sure you unpack all the files before opening up any project. Inside you will find an After Effects folder and a Premiere Pro folder. We'll start with the AE project, so double-click on the AEP file to open it up. The AE project has a main Full HD composition and a main 4K composition. All the editable elements are inside the 00 UChange folder, where you will find the 3D elements, the vector elements, the base modules, and the animated titles. All the elements are pre-rendered and ready to be added into the timeline. We have also included 20 pre-made stories, which you will find in the pre-made stories folder. The easiest and fastest way to get started with this template is to choose a pre-made story and make any necessary adjustments. So let's choose the first one, double-click to open it up. To change an element inside the composition, right-click and select Reveal Layer Source in Project. Now let's choose a new element and we'll pick a dialog bubble. Next, press Ctrl-Alt// or Command-Option// on Max to replace the layer in the composition. To change the text, open the composition and double-click on the text layer. You can also change the color of the bubble by selecting the Color Control layer and then clicking on the Effect Controls panel. Click on the color box and choose any new color. Next, let's take a look at how to create a scene from scratch. Press Ctrl-N to create a new composition. For this demo, we'll choose a Full HD resolution, 1920 by 1080 pixels. You can bring in the floor from any pre-made story. Just select the layer, press Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V into the new composition. Select the layer, right-click and choose Transform, Center in View. And then you can press S to bring down the scale property and adjust the size accordingly. And now we'll start adding elements, starting from the back to the front. Ideally, you will want to sequence the layers so they don't animate in all at once. You can press Ctrl page down to skip ahead 10 frames, and then the left bracket to snap the layer into the position. An important thing to note is for any vector elements, you will need to turn on the rasterize function by clicking on the right hand side. All the elements can be duplicated, but please make sure to do it in the project panel area. Just select the layer and choose Edit, Duplicate. Now let's take a look at rendering this template. Select the composition you wish to render and choose Composition, Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. The basic settings will work fine. You just need to click under the output file to set the destination path of your video, and then click on the green play button to start rendering. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we'll take a look at editing the Premiere Pro version of this template.